beautiful angels. This is Mystic C from Magic Winds Tarot, and this is your year 2021 love and work forecast for water signs Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yes, friends, for water signs Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And if your sun sign, moon sign, rising sign is in Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, this reading is for you. You can also cross watch it for any water sign. Friends, this is a general reading. It may resonate or it may not. Please do subscribe Magic Wednesday Tarot. Hit the bell icon so you never miss a reading. I post daily 2-3 times a day, so make sure to subscribe, like, and share. Also, friends, join us on Instagram as Magic Wednesday Tarot to buy a personal reading. Visit our website www.magicwednestarot.com. So let's see your theme of the year for water signs Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. What is the theme of the year? Okay, blossoming abundance number 3. That's interesting. I didn't even have to pull it. The card. Okay, that almost wanted to come. For Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, the theme of the month, of the year actually. You can also watch, oh, Archangel Raphael healing. Wow, friends, you are healing majorly. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, your, wow, Archangel Michael, you are going on a powerful journey in 2021, friends. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, wow. I will shuffle again because all of them dropped face down. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, theme of the year. Wow, patience, cornucopia. I think you are dealing with a lot of financial issues right now. I definitely feel a lot of financial issues, or you feel like you're generally not feeling well right now, or you're not happy or not feeling lucky in your life. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Yes, you are going to get, everything you dream of in 2021. It's your cornucopia, your 1111 luck, support. I think you feel something is not happening for you right now. You are waiting for it. Number 16, patience. Maybe I see most of you are waiting for some financial success, money, or career success to come your way. Some of you are also waiting for love or some, harmony and love. Yes, friends, it is going to happen for you. Yes, blossoming abundance, money is coming your way, and you are going to create it. If you are manifesting something, it is going to happen in the year 2021. I also feel, friends, you are going to cut away blocks or restrictions or people which are toxic and not working for you, or life will automatically remove such people from your life, or some situations which are not working for you. And major healing is going to happen in your finances, in your emotions, and your well-being. And yes, give it some time, friends. Just stay patient in the year 2021. Why? Because things I see are happening at many levels for you, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Like finances, your finances are getting better, your relationships are getting better, then your health is getting better. So every aspect of your life is about to get better in 2021, one by one. So give it some time. And yes, the cornucopia will be yours, friends. Yes, something you desire is not happening right now, will happen in 2021. Stay patient, stay ready, because it is going to happen. No one can change it for you, absolutely no one. Let's see your love life, Cancers. I want to see your love life for the year 2021. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, what will happen in their love life? Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. You have the Three of Cups, the Two of Wands, the Nine of Swords, the Lovers. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, their love life. Wow, Page of Pentacles, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, their love life in the year 2021. Knight of Swords, Ace of Wands, the Five of Cups, the Nine of Cups. Wow. Clarify the Page of Pentacles and the King. Oh my God. Wow. Oh my God, friends. Yes, I feel a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person is going to be important for you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces in the year 2021. I also see a Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person is important for you in the year 2021. I see, friends, that you start the year on a good note, feeling happy, feeling like you are ready for some celebrations or some happiness. There may be some celebrations coming your way, some birthday parties or some meetings with friends, some reunions happening. You will be happy about it definitely at the start of the year 2021. I also feel your lovers or your lover, the person you are with, they will be feeling very mature, or you will be feeling very mature and confident about your relationships, like, yeah, your love life is stable, you are doing well. Also, if even if you are single, you will start the year ready to meet people, talk with them, socialize with them. So you will have that energy of meeting, socializing. You are ready to look for love. You are ready you're ready, you are balanced when you start the year. In fact, you are happy and excited in your love life. I will take a clarifier here. C4 of Wands. Some of you are really worried about getting married in the year 2021, or you want desperately to get married, or there is a person you want to get married with, or uh, you just you are single and you want to get married. Something is going on, you are nervous about it. When you will get married, when you will get married, or when will that commitment happen? Will they commit, won't they commit? Commitment is big deal for you in 2021, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some of you may actually decide to get married in 2021 in the first half of the year, or you will talk about marriage, commitment, moving in with somebody. There is definitely the lovers. It is like you are trying even right now to get married to someone or get close with someone, in a official relationship with someone, but it's not happening right now. It will happen in the first half of the year. Or I also see that some of you will have a choice in your marriage partner or your love relationship. Like, you want to marry someone, but you end up marrying someone else because there is a new person coming in. I do feel there is a Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus person who will be offering you commitment or love or a marriage, and they do have judgment. They do have some past connection with you, some past life connection, or you have known each other in the past. They do want to marry you, but I do see some family opposition here or some sort of a block here. So you will have to both work at it, to make this block, heal this difference. There is something blocking this marriage or this connection, but you can heal it. I also see a new person coming in, Aquarius, Libra, Gemini for some of you, and you will feel very attracted to this person, very, very obsessed about this person. Also, they will be very obsessed about you. They will be completely like intoxicated with you, this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, which is quite strange. Let's see. Wow, yeah, see, this person won't be giving up on you. They just don't want to give up on you. Seven of Pentacles, they are waiting, waiting, waiting. They will be observing you. They will be watching you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, they will be enticing you. I do feel this person wants to win you. Either of them, this Capricorn earth sign or this air sign, will try to win you, and one of them will actually end up winning you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. See, a passionate new start is going to happen in your love life. Yes. If you are single, there is a choice. In your love life, you can choose from both of them or marry one of them. And if you are already married, I do see some temptations coming your way. Yeah, so get ready, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Some attractions are coming your way. I do feel your love life will get very exciting, very passionate mid of the year, and later half of the year it will be very exciting, stimulating, passionate, and physical attraction will be high. Physical attraction will be very high. And you will enjoy it. Maybe you will move in with a person, or you will get to meet them, go on dates, and kiss them finally. Like, it has been over a year, you haven't kissed them. So you are like, oh, finally you are able to do that. Oh, God. So you'll be like over the top of the world, you'll be happy. I also see you at the end of the year, you will be coming out of some disappointments. You will be healing some past wounds, emotional hurts. Yes, they will be healed, and you will be feeling very happy, very confident, and your love life will be very happy and exciting, I feel. You could be, some of you may again be in long distance with this person, or at the end of the year, you may again go back to online talking or something with this Aquarius, Libra, Gemini person, but they will keep coming back to you or keep meeting you, because this person is completely head over heels in love with you. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. So if you are single, friends, you will have a choice. Definitely. And marriage is very important for you. Maybe some of you will end up getting married, and you might go on a honeymoon or something also, or you will marriage commitment, moving on, moving in together will be on your mind. If you're already married, I do see your relationship becoming very passionate, your marriage becoming deeper, and you both traveling more and getting to know each other more, your partner, your husband or wife. And yeah, your some challenges will come if you are married. Let's see your love advice. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, love advice for Cancer. See, healing family issues. Yeah, I do see that your love life is affected by your family, whether you are married, whether you are single, like you want to marry someone, but the family is not saying yes, their family is not saying yes, or uh, you are married, but someone else is creating a problem in your marriage. So, yeah, you need to heal. Be patient. It's not so difficult to heal these things. You just need to stay a little patient. Codependency, addictions are affecting your romantic life. Yeah, I do feel, friends, someone will be head over heels in love with you. But this person may not be making a move towards you, so you might have to, this year is about how much boundaries you need to keep and how much you need to allow people in. See, someone has romantic feelings for you, but if that connection is too much of passion, you need to balance it. Your feelings are real and worth exploring. If you like someone, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, I think 2021 is the perfect time to go and say that, because I do see that you are liking someone and not proposing them, not even telling them. So go ahead and make that move. And I do see someone will be making that move towards you. Let us see your work and career now for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for the year 2021. Their work, love, their work, finances in 2021. Because I feel finances are major thing for you. See, Temperance, the Knight of Wands. Yeah, something is coming your way in 2021. Seven of Cups, choices, decisions, the High Priest, the World. King of Cups, that's your energy, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. And the Empress. Yes, friends. Yes, yes, yes. You are right now a little confused about your work and career. You are not happy where you are. You are like, what to do? You are completely confused. You don't know where to go, what to do, what should you do. But in 2021, your confusions are going to heal, the clarity is coming your way, something is going to come towards you, maybe a job offer, or you are going to apply somewhere, get that degree, get that course where you will be exceptionally good at. I see you will be applying for an exam which you will clear with a very good marks. I also see you applying for a job. You will be getting that job. I also see you applying for a degree or a course and getting certifications for it. Yes, you will be awarded, you will be rewarded in the year 2021. Some of you will be completing a degree, finishing a course, getting promoted, or you are entering as an intern and you are joining as going to the next level in the year 2021. So, yes, the High Priest. Some of you could also be dealing with legal visa issues, or foreign degrees and all those things. Yes, you are going to achieve that. Yes, I also feel, friends, balance will come in your work and career and money. Money is missing from your life right now. Clarity is also missing from your life. It is going to come, both money, clarity, and success. Knight of Wands, yes, get ready because in 2021 you will have to take some quick decisions. That's the main drawback in 2021. You will have to take some quick decisions. So get ready, get clear, and what you want, where you want to go, because that time in 2021 when these opportunities will come, this new job or this new business connections or this suddenly you will find that there is this opening for a job or for this vacancy or for this university, some teaching positions. Some of you could be becoming graduates, postgraduates, doctorates. So it will happen quick, friends. Get ready. You will have to work quickly. Quickly, you will have to make use of that opportunity. So get ready. If you are studying right now, exam is in 2021, start studying. You will achieve, there is a very high chance you will get very successful if you study well right now. I also see some of you could be really, starting a new business or working on a new idea or something. You are really going to enjoy it. Some of you could be starting or joining your family businesses, even if you are a woman. Something has been a tradition, like your mother danced, so you will start dancing, or teaching kids, your kids, or maybe some online kids you are teaching. You will be sharing your knowledge, whether you are a man or a woman. Yes, you will be sharing your knowledge and you will be highly respected for it, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. I also feel some of you, definitely teaching is a big thing for you, or teaching small kids or teaching students. Yes, some of you will be working for teaching. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, King of Cups. See, you will find a lot of happiness, a lot of fulfillment from your work and your finances. So just remember, you will have to take some quick decisions. So get ready for that. Let's see your advice for the year 2021. Advice for the year 2021. Oh my God, the angel of balance. Wow. Advice for the year 2021. Wow, Archangel Samuel. You have the third Archangel here. Archangel Michael, Raphael, and Samuel. Wow, Magician and the Mirror. I definitely feel you could be dealing with a twin flame partnership in the year 2021 or right now. Someone has broken your heart. You will be healing it. It will heal in the year 2021. So don't worry about you. These hurts, this pain, all that you have gone through, Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, it will be resolved in the year 2021, or it will heal to a point where you can take it, you can bear it. I feel some of you have health issues, like some of you may be suffering from heart burn, acidities, ulcers, or smoking issues, lung issues. Friends, they are going to resolve, please trust me. And I rarely mention health diseases like this, so when I say it, I really mean it. And it's a strong message. Yes, your health will improve, your broken heart will heal, or at least it will become better than what it is right now. And remember, to balance your emotions and your mind, action and your passion, balance it. Stay balanced. 2021 is not the year to remain out of balance, friends, because a lot will be happening for you. Stay balanced. Angel of Balance. Again, the balance card is there. See? And be bold. Go out. Show people your true self. I think somewhere Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces are a little shy in coming out in the open, telling people their true, skills, their even advertising for your work. It is time to be bold. It is time to show the world you are gifted, because you definitely are. So success is coming your way, friends. Yes, let's see anything else for Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces for the year 2021. Breath, sorrow over a loss. Yeah, you definitely are missing something. You are crying right now. I don't know what it is that's making you unhappy, but it will be resolved. Family wishes coming true. Yes, some of you could be getting married in the year 2021. January will be important to you. And let's see. Lightning, control your anger. Yeah, you need to control your anger. Some things will make you test your patience, I feel. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Get back to the basic skills. Yeah, this is your year when you will have to, plain, clean things, traditional approach, and it will work for you. It will bring you success. Whatever you are doing, keep doing. Just stay balanced. Don't stay too much emotional, too much angry. No, don't do that. Get back to the basics. Peacock, be aware of great pride. I feel like you don't show yourself or market yourself because you feel it is egoistic, but I think you should do it in a balanced way. Celebrations or fun will be coming in the year 2021. Rainbow, the most difficult part of a situation is over. So, good things, rainbows are coming after a storm. And on that note, please, I will end this reading. Subscribe, Magic Ones Tarot, like and share. Let me know if this reading resonated with you. To buy a personal reading, visit our website. And this is Mystic C saying bye.